Okay. So good morning all of you. In the yesterday offline classes, uh, I gave some extra fill in the blanks in the chapter Living Safely. All of you see this video, okay, and complete this work in your copy. Can you understand? In the yesterday last offline classes, I gave extra fill in the blanks in the chapter Living Safely, and all of you complete this work in your copy, okay? Now today this is your EVS class. Now all of you open your EVS book, chapter The Earth, okay? In the last class we will already started this chapter The Earth, and next today we will complete rest of the topic. So in the last class we have already told that we call the earth in our home because we all animals and human beings live on it. So the earth we called our home, and the earth is like round shape structure like an orange, and our earth is round in shape like an orange, and more than half of our earth is covered with water, okay, and the rest of the part is covered with land, okay, and we live on land. Next, a model of the earth is called a globe. Okay, so a globe structure, globe means this structure, okay, here this like structure, okay, this is globe. This is the model of our earth, that is called globe. So what is the globe? A model of the earth is called a globe. So a model of the earth a model of the earth. Shrestha, we first cut the call and then rejoin. And students, am I audible to you, and can you see me? Am I audible to you? Okay. Shabdorshi also cut the call and then rejoin, okay? So what is globe? A model of the earth is called a globe. A model. Snigdha also cut the call and then rejoin, okay? A model of the earth is called a globe. So a model of the earth is called a globe. Okay, and this is the globe. So next, the surface of the earth. Surface means the outer cover or outer layer that we call the surface layer. Okay, so the surface of the earth. So the surface of the earth is not even everywhere. Okay, our earth has many beautiful landforms and water bodies, like different landforms like mountain, land, okay, hilly area, mountain area, land, okay, and sea area. This is different beautiful landforms and water bodies. Water bodies example river, ocean, okay, lake, spring, stream. Okay, this is different beautiful waterfalls. So the surface of the earth is not even everywhere, and our earth has many beautiful landforms and water bodies. Okay, see in your book. Okay, this picture showing the surface. See, so this is the surface of earth. Landforms, land means the soily area where we live in, that is called land area or landforms. Where the soil, stone are there, that is called land area. Okay, and where the water is present, that is water area. Okay, so the surface of the earth. Okay, so this is the earth, round structure, and this is the surface of round structure, this place. Okay, this is the surface of earth. Okay, so this area we see different beautiful things like different beautiful landforms and also water bodies. Okay, so our earth has many beautiful landforms and water bodies. Okay, so our earth has many beautiful landforms and water bodies. Water, BODIES. Okay, so our earth has many beautiful landforms and water bodies. So next, discuss about small things that students can do. We can clean our places where we live in, okay, and not wasting paper or not using too much tissue paper or not misuse water, okay, and saying no to crackers or not playing loud music, because loud music or crackers can pollute our environment or can pollute our earth. Okay, so our earth give us many things like water, sunlight, air. Okay, so we must clean our earth. Okay, so we always clean our places and not waste any water or paper or not use too much tissue paper. So next, page number 96, next page. Okay, page number 96, open. Caring for our earth, caring from our, for our earth. Caring for our earth. So we should care our earth because only the planet earth we live in. Okay, so we must care the earth. See, the earth looks after us and we must also take care of it, and we should take care of it. We should conserve water, wood and paper. We should follow the rules of 3R, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay, so yes, reduce, reuse and recycle. So what is this reduce, reuse and recycles? So first, the earth looks after us and we must also take care of it, and we should conserve water, wood and paper, and we should follow the rules 3R, that is 3R. That is number 1, reduce, R-E-D-U-C-E, reduce. Number 2, reuse and recycle. What is this reuse? Reduce. Reduce means some pollutant paper like plastic, okay, glass. This product we use less, okay, we use less of quantity. So plastic is very pollutant things in our environment, so we do not use more plastic bags. Okay, so that is reduce. Okay, so first reduce means less use. Next, reuse. Reuse means first some water we use for cooking or clean our vegetables. Okay, so this water we may use to water the plants. Okay, so this water then reuse. Okay, so first reduce, number 2 reuse. Reuse means doubling use. Okay, oh, just first all of you mute your microphone. So first reuse means first if we use some water to clean vegetables, okay, or to clean fruits, then we don't wash this water or don't throw this water. We use this water for the plants. Okay, so this is reuse. And recycles means some product that different processes we use this product, okay, like paper. Paper, then recycle in the recycling process, the paper next used in different ways. Okay, so 3 R's means reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay, so the earth looks after us and we must also take care of it, and we should conserve water, we should conserve water, wood and paper. Okay, we should conserve water, wood and paper. And we celebrate the World Earth Day on 22nd April or 22 April every year. Okay, so we celebrate the World Earth Day. We celebrate the World Earth Day World Earth Day on 22nd April every year. This is very important question. Okay, which day we celebrate the World Earth Day? Which day we celebrate the World Earth Day? Answer is, we celebrate the World Earth Day on 22nd April every day. Very important questions. Also remember, here are some ways to save earth. Okay, so next classes we will do rest of the topic, and first in this today's, that is surface of the earth, that is the surface of the earth is not even everywhere, and our earth has many beautiful landforms and water. Yes, water, and we don't waste our different valuable things like water, wood, paper, etc. and caring for our earth, that is the earth looks after us and we must also take care of it. We should conserve water, wood and paper, and we should follow the rules of 3R, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay. So now today I have completed up to this topic, and next classes we will start our rest of the topic. And who are present, please respond P and don't remove. Okay, first wait and don't left the class until I tell.